So guys, if you can see the gentleman back there, he is putting the groceries. What's up, you guys? Good morning. So it's literally like 7 o'clock. I don't know if you guys can see that. So we gotta go get the groceries, and I thought I'll take you guys with us. So I gotta wake up these kids and get them up. So we'll see you guys in a bit.
Hi vlog.
Alright, you guys, so I have the kids up and ready, and we're actually gonna head to Fry's to pick up the groceries. So come along with us.
One day, we all just decided that we were no longer going to use pennies, and the banks were just like, hey, come return your pennies. And then
what's up, you guys? So we literally just got here to Fry's. I don't know if you can see that in the background. Literally waiting. I'm in one, and I gotta wait for them. So there's a couple spots, but they're all pretty much taken. I should have went with the one that was leaving, but it's okay because I gotta wait anyways. So yeah, I got the kids with me, and I gotta wait. So see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, sorry about that. I had to switch from my phone. I had to go pay in the front because something happened, and then like I had to wait because something else happened, but basically I got it through. I'm gonna go ahead and pop my trunk now. You guys can see that, and they're gonna come out through over here somewhere between the palm tree and this ice thing, I believe. So yeah guys, stay tuned for the groceries. You got to keep it focused, you wanna say so.
I was passing by. Nothing to see you dance. The booty boys, they say, move for me, move for me, move for me.
Yes.
So we are at the grocery
And then I don't
store.
Oh,
And
the
the
bread will be the
groceries.
only thing up here. Everything else should be fine. Thank you so much.
Yeah, the groceries are finally here. So we just waited, and then now they're here.
3, 2. So guys, if you can see the gentleman back there, he is putting the groceries. 3, 2, 1. It's out of focus. Alright you guys, sorry about that, but if you can see the gentleman back there, he is putting the groceries in the car, and then I just gotta close the trunk and we are all set to go. I asked him to put the bread up here, and then they obviously give you a paper and tell you what everything is out of, what they had not in stock, so it was okay. I mean, it was just like bacon, and I think bacon, sausage, and then their juices, but that's okay because I can get them at another store. So yeah, we're gonna wait for him to be done, and then I will get back to you guys in a bit. What's up, you guys? So we are back at the house. Here's all the groceries. I have to put all the groceries away. This house is a hot mess. So here's a quick sneak peek of what it looks like. A hot mess. And then we're gonna like that. The house is clean and the groceries are put away. See, and the laundry and everything else is put away. So yeah, this girl is about to get ready, so I'll see you guys in the room. We're painting! Alright guys, so we are gonna paint. They're gonna paint some boxes, and I don't know if I'm gonna make their to-do chart or if I'm gonna just paint this. So yeah, smash this video with a huge thumbs up and join our paint session. Guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is a new day. Unfortunately, yesterday the camera died and then the other battery was dead, so there went that. This battery is charged, the other battery is charging. So here is their not finished product, but their little bins. I'll show you Mercy's. This is Mercy's. It's like a watermelon, orange inside. If you look at it this way, it's a carrot. Awesome. Just great. They're gonna decorate them. And then here's Castiel's. So they're gonna finish decorating them, and then here's what I was painting. Mom, if you're watching this, click out, fast forward a couple of minutes or like a couple seconds. That way you don't see what you're getting for your birthday. Alright, so I'm pretty sure, hopefully she did it. If not, Mom, sorry, not sorry. But I painted this. She loves roses. They're like our little thing, but I painted it for her. Unfortunately, I gotta buy batteries because it doesn't light up, but it's supposed to light up. So, Mom, I love you. Happy birthday. Her birthday is January 27th, guys. So wish her a happy birthday. And yeah, so we're gonna finish that. I'm cooking breakfast right now, so I will see you guys in a bit. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is a Sunday. Unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, that breakfast was so smacked that your girl went into a deep slumber and didn't wake up until like 9 o'clock. And then today, Flo is here. Flo is the monthly. So I pretty much slept until like 2, 3 o'clock. Don't worry, the kids were fed. They got lunch. They got breakfast. Don't worry. So I'm gonna go ahead and conclude the video. It's already edited for you guys. It's just waiting for this video right here. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.